Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this screw check mechanism in Solidworks. So let's start. First click on assembly and click OK. Just to know that I'm going to make all my parts in assembly, okay, for the sake of simplicity. So click on here, click on new part and select the front plane. Make sure while making the sketch you click on no external references if it is not checked, okay, as you will face a lot of problem. Select this plane, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal screen to the view. Now draw the shape as I'm showing. 100. I saw sometimes people ask me where I get the drawings and dimensions. Just to know that I'm designing real time. Okay, I don't know any kind of dimensions, anything else. So I'm just guessing what should be the dimensions. Okay, so I don't even have any drawing, anything else. Okay, so 130 divided by 2, 20, and let's create two circles here. Hmm. So I'm creating a circle of 5 diameter. Let's give it distance of 5 into 1.25, and this one is 5. Okay, and I want something similar, so I can use mirror entities. Select this and mirror about this line. Click OK and extrude it. Click on midplane instead of, because I want it extrude on both sides, because I can use my mirror command later onwards, and that will be beneficial for me. Okay, and let's say it is 30, and select this face. Click on sketch. Press Ctrl plus 8. Center rectangle. 15. Extrude cut. Uh, Not through all, just 20, and click OK. So this is the first part that we have made. Now exit the assembly component mode. Now click on here, click on new part, select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal screen to the view. Now we are going to make other parts, so click on here, slot command. So give the height as per your requirement. In my case 300 is, I think is okay. 300 is quite big. 150 I think is good, and reduce the thickness to 10 Let's create two sub. This is also big, quite big. 100 100 is fine. As I told you earlier that I don't have any idea of dimensions. I'm just making on the spot. Okay. 3, 3, 5. Let's make it 5. Because this one is 5, so I want uniformity. Not circular, just extrude, and let's make it 5 Click OK. So here's the thing. I need basically two of them, and here's we will face issue here to do mating. So what I'm going to do is select this part, click on add components, and extrude cut. I'm going to change the sketch basically. Okay. Similarly here. Exit the sketch mode. Uh, just click exit the sketch rebuild and close it. And right click on it. Click on features. Go to path. Select this and click OK. Okay. Click on rebuild icon. As you can see, all errors are removed. Now what we can do? Move this part. Go to the mates. Select this face and this face. Click OK and make sure its front plane coincide with the front plane of the assembly so that we can do different kind of matings, and this one as well. After that, right click on this part, click make it fixed so that this part doesn't move. It is quite necessary step. And select this face and this face. Click OK. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Now I want to place something here that basically controls forward backward movement. So let's approach that problem. So what I'm going to do is click on here, click on new part, select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8, and let's create a square first. It is 30 by 20 mm, and it should be a nice circle. So I forgot about the circle. Let's draw a construction line. No, it's okay. 10 extrude. So how much extrude we will do? So it will extrude up to this length, but I don't know what is this length. So 20 mm, I guess. Just for 15 mm, it's 15 mm. So I'm going to extrude it 15 mm. So go to the features, extrude, and select the mid plane and make it 15 mm. Click OK. After that, select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8, and draw a circle here. Is 5 mm. Extrude. So it's go 5 mm up to here, and on other side it will go to 15 plus 5, that is 20 mm. Click OK and exit the sketch mode. Drag this. Go here, mates. Select this one and select this one. OK. Select this face and this face. Click OK. Select this face and this face. Make sure that it remains parallel. Click OK. And I also need to create a hole here on which basically my shaft will go. Okay. So let's see. I will go it later onward, so don't worry about it. For now, let's see what other things I have to do. Uh, I have to create. Press Control and right click on your mouse and drag it. Okay. Here you can see that I need something support to here, so I need to increase its length. So select this part, click on edit components, right click. So this one is 10 and this one is 25. Click OK. Exit. The reason I'm showing my mistakes so that you can learn from it what kind of mistakes a beginner do. Okay, just to know that I'm making mechanism from scratch, so it also helps you if suppose you have some creativity and you want to make your own. So you will get an idea how to make your own without dimensions. Okay, because whatever I'm making is without dimensions, and it will help you later onwards in future whenever you will make your own product or something. Now I need something to basically fix my parts. So let's see how what I can do. So select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. So I need something basically attached here. Basically it's a screw thread jack. So click on here, assembly, click on here, click on new part, select the front plane. Let's create it here and dimensions. Five mm, 5 into 1.25, 5 mm. Extrude it, and 5 here, and direction to it is 20 mm. Here you can see that the size is M10 and 1.0. So what does it mean? That whenever it rotates one revolution, it moves 1 mm forward. So we are going to use this in our basically mates. That's the reason I have opened it. Now I saw it. Sorry, my PC is lagging because I don't have a very good system. No, but I all I just need to do is just exit it and go to my mates and unsuppress it. If you remember correctly, that I have used one ratio. Okay, so I don't face any issues while making it working. Okay, you see, it's totally matching. Okay, let's do this. And one more thing I need to do is I need to insert it. So I need to suppress this for a second and move it forward and move it backward. Just it doesn't matter whether you show this screw thread or not, because it's just we have made it, and it's not like somebody going to show going to watch it. It is only need to for example, when you need to do high quality animation, then you need to do it. Okay, if you just want to learn how to do advanced level simulation with high accuracy, then check out my course link in description about Solidworks animation motion analysis. You will learn a lot of things there. Now, one thing is left is we need to make a something up here. So let's see what is that. A ring something type. I don't know what it is. What it called basically. Let's make it. So first, select this part. Click on Add Components. Uh, this one here. Front plane sketch. Press Ctrl+8. So follow my footstep. Forget about it. Just use offset entities. 2 mm is getting it. Yeah, 2 mm is fine. Out of curiosity, have you ever wondered why I'm making kind of shape like this? Just think about a second. After I make this thing, I will tell you why it has a shape like this. Okay? My fans are starting burning now. Select this plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl+8. Okay, extrude cut. Uh, through all and reverse direction. Now, have you ever wondered why we have it make shape like this? Okay, the reason is that suppose I put something on here. So because of this shape, it can provide a fully grip on it. Okay, and it will not, basically rotate the job. Suppose it's fully circle. What will happen if you place something here? It will start rotating. But because of this thing, it will hold the job and it will not allow the job to rotate. That is the reason we have something a shape like this on a screw jack. Okay. And guys, make sure that you subscribe my YouTube channel and my Facebook page, because I post a really lot of engineering stuff things on my pages. So make sure that you like them. And okay, so here we have make it. Now to make it control, I need to make something here. So select this part, click on add components and front plane. Let's draw the shape for handle. Actually, my PC is quite slow because of the high load of these threads. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just suppress it for some bit time, because it will be a very heavy load for work for my PC, and it will burn down. I'm scared of that. So first exit the sketch mode for a second. As you can see, my PC is totally, what I will say, I will keep calm, hope that it will not crash. Now starting. So first thing is that we need to do is right click on this thread and suppress it for a bit. Because if I if because if it's showing, we will face a lot of issues. So suppress it. Now you can see it's working faster now. Now my PCs work fast. So while working on it, make sure that you suppress this thread feature because they are very heavy things. Now click on here, features, revolve both ways, and let's make a hole here. Sketch. Press Ctrl plus 8. As you can see, my PC is now working fully fine now because I have suppressed those features. So make sure when you do something like this, suppress them. It's put a heavy toll on your computers or system. Tool. Okay. Okay, I need to do on both sides. So my bad. So what we can do, select this. And both. Click OK. And now I need to place something here. So exit the sketch mode. And what I can do, create a new part. So select this face, press Ctrl plus 8 and go here, click on new part, select the front plane of the assembly, and I will simply create, draw a circle, sorry, circle draw is fine for me, and give it a diameter 3 mm and give it a length of, let's say, 150 is fine, I guess, and go to the exit the additional component mode and attach this part, and we are done, I guess. Select this face and this face, maintain a distance so that it don't coincide with it. So 50 mm, 50 mm is fine. Click OK. Now we have done everything. What we are going to do is, and we will just unsuppress those sketch, basically the threading part, remember. So yeah, so right click on it and click on suppress because we have made it, and we are not going to make any more parts. So yeah, it's not going to be face that much issues now on. So select this, press Ctrl plus 8. So you can see. Okay, one more thing that we had, I guess issue is that our features are suppressed as well. So right click and unsuppress it. So if I, okay, still not working. So that's showing. So where's the side? So why it is not rotating? You can see revolutions. For one revolution, it moves 1 mm forward backward. Okay. So this is fine. So where's the problem? Why it is not working? Rotate. So why it is not rotating? Let's try to figure it out. Right click and unsuppress it for a second because I'm going to adjust the thread first. Let's say press Ctrl plus 8. Okay, it is. I think it's in correct place right now. So right click and unsuppress it. Click OK. It's not working. I don't know why. Some issues are here, but I'm not able to figure out why. What are those issues? So right click, suppress this one, and let's try to deal with this one. Who knows? Sometimes Solidworks has some bugs. That's the reason they also not work. If you have watched my previous videos, I show you that Solidworks has basically some bugs as well. So that's the reason sometimes it's occur. So let's try this mechanical mate screw. Uh, select it. Let's see. Make sure that it doesn't have any kind of unwanted mates. What it is. Okay, this one is right. Yeah, this one is suppress. Suppress it. It is fully defined now. And okay, as you can see, it is not rotating. So there's a other way to rotate it. But I don't know why. As you can see, previously, some times ago, I show you that it's rotating, it's working. So I don't know why it's what's happening here. Just in case if you want the animation, but we can use other way. And let me show you what is the other way I'm talking about. So go to the mechanical mates and click on rack and pinion. Okay. So whenever it moves 1 mm, it will rotate. Okay. So type 1, click OK. Yeah, now you can see it's working. You can also use rack and pinion mates for threading as well. Don't worry about it. Just you know that main aim is just to show how to make it. Okay. And again, if anybody know what's the bug there, feel free to comment and tell me. I will love to hear your comments. So here you can see I made this screw jack mechanism. Let's do the animation. 30 FPS better. 30. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.